To use two apps at the same time on your new Pixel phone, you can use split screen mode. To use split screen, open any app. To open the taskbar, from the bottom, swipe up slowly. From the taskbar, touch and hold another app. Then drag it to one side of the screen. You can now use both apps in split screen mode. Files or photos, like a photo attachment for an email, can be dragged from one screen to another. To change the size of each screen, drag the divider left or right. To save two apps that you use regularly together as a shortcut, from the bottom, swipe up to go to Overview. Tap on either of the app names. From the drop-down menu, tap Save App Pair. The shortcut will be saved to your home screen. To activate split screen from the App Shortcuts menu, while in an app, swipe up slowly to see the taskbar. From the taskbar, touch and hold another app. Tap Split Screen. Alternatively, to use split screen if you already have an app open, you can use All Apps. To open the taskbar, from the bottom, swipe up slowly. Tap the All Apps icon. Touch and hold another app. Tap Split Screen, or drag the app to one side of the screen. To use split screen from Overview mode, from the bottom, swipe up slowly. You will see all open apps. Tap the icon of an app that's currently running. Tap Split Screen. Tap to select another app to open in split screen. Or, to activate split screen directly from the home screen, touch and hold an app on the home screen or taskbar. Tap the split screen icon. Tap to select another app to open in split screen.